In the heart of an old industrial district lies an abandoned train depot waiting to tell its story. Rusted tracks stretch endlessly into the past, while decaying carriages whisper tales of bustling journeys once undertaken. The depot's grandeur still resonates through intricately designed brickwork and ornate iron columns covered in creeping vines. Inside, echoes of passenger footsteps linger as you navigate the peeling paint corridors and empty ticket counters. Each corner unveils relics of the bygone steam age, with forgotten schedules and vintage signs hanging precariously. This exploration offers a fascinating glimpse into a forgotten era of travel and architectural beauty,